Hello everyone, welcome to another video about how to extract a file or how to unzip a file. So before we go on to that, let me first ask you guys to please support our channel by subscribing and also by liking this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's go! So this video is going to be to show you how to extract a file or unzip a file. So for example here in your screen, 'di ba, once na nag-download tayo ng mga modules from the online sources, usually pag i-download mo sila, they are converted into a file na naka-zip. Okay, so ano ba yung tinatawag na zip file? So dito, tingnan natin sa Google, Yung zip file is a single file containing one or more compressed files, offering an ideal way to make large files smaller and keep related files together, right? So, let's proceed to unzipping and extracting the file. So here in your screen, I have here a online source where we can download particular module, diba? Dito sa English 10 quarter 4. So say for instance, gusto nating i-download yan, right? Just hover your pointer over the file. Ibig sabihin, itapat mo yung mouse pointer mo doon sa file. And then right click. And then may magpa-pop up na menu. And then look for the download option. You can find that second to the last options, diba? Nandito siya, right? Then just click that download option. And what will happen is, ayan, may nagpop up dito na a message, English 10 quarter 4 and 54 megabytes exceed the maximum file size that Google can scan. So just select download anyway, right? And then what will happen is, yun na nga, dito sa may bottom, nandyan, okay, indicated na downloading na yung file natin. As you can notice guys, ayan, English 10 quarter 4 .zip. So ibig sabihin, yung file na yan na download natin ay naka-convert or naka-zip na siya. Actually, if you can just observe here inside this drive, yung English 10 na yan ay naka-zip na dati, di ba? So no need to zip na ng Google kasi naka-zip na siya na dati. So we are just going to wait for this file to be downloaded, okay? Pupause ko lang muna and then we will resume kung downloaded na siya. Okay, so downloaded na yung file natin dito, diba? So yan. And then what you will want is to locate the file or the downloaded file, diba? Okay, just click this arrow here beside the name of the file. Ayan. Click mo lang yan, guys. Alright. And then may mag-appear na menu. Then we will select show in folder. Okay, just click that option. Ayan. Then as you can see here, selected na yung downloaded na file. Alright, so ayan. So what we want to do next is to extract this file or unzip the file. Just right click, okay, the file. And then may mag-appear. Ayan. And then look for extract files. Ayan. Select mo lang yan. By the way guys, yung gamit ko pala na pang unzip ng mga files na naka-zip ay Winrar. Okay, andito siya. If you do not have unzipping file, then you can download this one and then install it on your computer. And then kung hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-install ng Winrar, you can check my other video for that. Okay? So yun, just right click the file and then select extract files. And then, okay, we will click OK button here at the bottom. Yun. So as you can see here, meron nag-appear na folder na may pangalan na English 10 quarter 4. Okay? So, ayun. Yun na nga, na-extract na yung files natin na English 10 quarter 4. Okay, so that's all for this video and I hope you learned something from this. Right? So if you have questions, if you have suggestions, you can drop them on the comment section below. Right? Thank you so much.